Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the 2019 Toyota Corolla versus the Mazda 3 getting smashed up from the side, both of those cars look terrible after the crash. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better, which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. But before we jump into the analysis, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get right into the analysis, folks. The Mazda 3 is a really hyped small car in the 2019. With its sleek design and awesome tech and features, the Mazda 3 is very appealing for consumers in 2019. Well, Toyota answered that by releasing the 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback. That also looks quite good actually, especially in that blue color. With awesome tech and features also neck to neck with the Mazda 3, in today's video we are going to analyze a side impact crash score of these cars, instead of the regular front right or left crash of the wall. I guess we'll see how it goes. As usual, we also uses the same crash test report from the IIHS organizations, starting from the top. As you can see in the score, in terms of crashworthiness, both of these cars performs really well, with good scores overall. And then in terms of crash avoidance and mitigations, both of these cars earns an acceptable score and a superior front crash prevention system, even on a standard system. And then the last but not least, in the child seat anchors, both of these cars also earns a G+, which is a very good score. The conclusion is, these cars are the same car. No comment on that. It's like looking at a twin. I mean, you can look at the score here, it's basically a copy and paste. Nothing different. So, if you're considering to buying these small cars, if you prefer the Mazda 3's slick design and upscale interior, you can choose the Mazda 3. But if you are concerned about reliability and lower price tags, the Toyota Corolla is the one for you. There you have it folks, the Mazda 3 versus the Toyota Corolla. If you have requests on any car that you want to be seen a comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See ya folks!